winner of Team B. Alright? Okay. Kita yan ka naman ha. Be sure this is correct. Okay, the first kid here. Hi, what's your name? Aliyah is letter. Very good. Hey, what's your name? Brianna is letter. D. Next, what's your name? Kevin is letter. Letter C. Or C or K? Okay, K kasi busy today yung sabar. What's your name? Kim is letter K. And lastly, M10 is letter T. Very good. Okay. All one. Okay. That's right. There. Birth month from January to December. Go. All right. January to December. Come on. Go players. Come on. See you guys on it first. Let's check the arrangement. Hi, Kim. When's your birthday? January. Very good. When is your birthday? June. Next. July. Next. October. And last is November. 2 points for the team A. Alright, one last point will be the winner. This Toronto. Arrange the kids according to the number. Ano nangyari? Okay. Okay. Come on. Sorry. Come on. Very good. Okay. Alright. Cheska scramble, arrange the kids according to number of their
Birthday.
Number of their house. Ask for their address. Alright, from lowest to highest. Go! Alright, lowest to highest, guys. Come on. 2-1 favorite team. Who shot it first? Team A or Team B? Team A. Okay. Let us check. I'll use the first kid here. 1, 6, 4. Next. 6, 2, 4. Next. 13. Okay, again, what's your last number? 6, 2, 4. Okay, check. Go ahead. 30. 30. Is that correct? No, Tita. Kasi po, lowest to highest. Okay, sorry, but 1 point will be given to me. Alright. It's a tie now. But siya tiebreaker. And here it is. Okay? Age from eldest to youngest. Go! Alright, eldest to youngest. Come on. Eldest to youngest. Okay, team A shot it first. Let's check the arrangement. Aliyah, how many? 7. Rihanna. 6. Go ahead. 4. Here. 3. 10. How old are you?
3.
3. And Cheska. How old are you, Cheska? 1. And we have the winner! Yay! Congratulations. Alright. Team A, thank you so much. You will be given a prize. Okay. also the kids a consolation prize for the Neat community. Okay? Is that everybody happy? We have lots of freebies today. Thank you so much. By the way, guys, we have a special guest. Alright? We have a special guest.